Hello lovers of all things that move, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be exploring San Francisco and we'll be going from Union Square all the way down to around Pier, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite modes of transportation, the trolley and the bus. So let's have some fun. Come along with me in this journey. Here we are in San Francisco, starting a new day.
Plates and crabs. You know what they were charging for those? $210 And we ended up buying them because they had to pick up money. And it was just crab claws. All it was.
Let's get off here. Jolly good, right? No, yeah, a lot of people, it's almost the last stop. Oh, there's the Peeps. Right there, this bus stop. The thing is right there. Right here? Yeah, back there. Oh, over there, sorry, it is over there. There's one there too, see? Yeah. Correct.
Oh, what did we call you now, Francis?
What?
We got Google? No.
Google Maps?
Yeah, we didn't have
Oh yeah, you guys go frugal, right?
Frugal.
Yeah, you called me frugal, right?
Francis and Google.
Francis and
Frugal.
Google,
Yeah, frugal. That's my new name, right?
That's right.
Frugal.
It's
We get into Portugal.
Yeah.
And we went from
Ruta gave me a new name, Frugal.
Frugal. He's our hero. He gets us everywhere we need to go.
We'll try.
He does.
Now we're gonna try to get from the bus to the trolley. Let's see.
I like those shorts.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Polo, I like them.
And the Ralph Lauren.
Ralph
In the
Lauren.
pole, yeah. They last, you know. I bought this at that place
Actually,
in
Ralph
Clinton.
Lauren is a more higher end of.
Mm-hmm. It's fun. It's a different one. You know. Yesterday was going the other way. Yeah, they don't. It's like the one. Yeah, they have that one in here too. Yeah.
have the one from Milan.
Yeah, the one from Milan. Yeah.
Evergreen trees. I'll be flying free, and I'll be growing up. I've been chained to time, enough is enough, and I'll be leaving soon. 'Cause that road pulls on me far away from
How many
Tennessee.
people are there?
It's like everywhere we go, baby, we always bring the sunshine wherever we go.
Evergreen trees.
I think it's this way, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's right there.
One thing about in London, mind the gap. If you don't get off that train quick enough, the guy just goes in your face.
I know, that's fun.
Remember that, people? Remember that in London?
Yeah, where were we? We were at, oh my god, we were at
What's the name of the place that we're going to?
Darren.
Darren, it's because I've got all you
That time of day, your luck is running thin, and there's nothing to be done. You just gotta ride it out. Baby steps, learning how to walk. No coffee anymore. Don't like what it's doing to my heart rate lately. No dancing anymore. I don't like what it's doing to my heart rate lately. A shadow by the door. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
right here on my right, it's this last drop stick on the end. Now, isn't this gorgeous? And that is a griffin style groove right there. And again, that is completely 100% hand carved all the way around. Pretty cool, huh? This one still has the stained glass windows in it. It's pretty cool. Started doing this in the 1880s, and this particular design is called Italianati.
That's pretty cool.
You often see this a lot, the half octagon styled windows as well as the box frame windows. They're just simply called bay windows here in Mercy. And coming up on our right, you're going to see a beautiful Queen Anne. It's called Seattle Block. It was completed in 1896. And it is also a gingerbread house as well.
Sounds is amazing. Watch, it's coming up. I've seen the pictures.
That's it right there.
Yeah.
You can see it. The call.
So isn't this gorgeous?
Oh yes, when it comes.
Again, completed in 1896 and is also known as a gingerbread
There
house.
it is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, whatever you want to do here, Levine. Not sure what you...
I hope you had fun and enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs if you like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more in the future. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. And we end up in the same place that we started, Union Square, and we also visited the Japanese garden. We had a great time. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Until I see you again, keep loving what moves you. Thank you.
But a fall is a sound for my sin, I've gone blind.